A woman calls police and says she wants them to shoot her. Minutes later, officers arrive at the house. She walks outside holding a pickaxe and a baseball bat. A taser is fired, but it doesn't stop her. Then she charges. This is the moment Nashville officers were forced into a split-second decision. This incident happened in Nashville, Tennessee. Metro Nashville Police received a call just after 5 p.m. The report was disturbing. When officers respond to calls like this, they know the situation could escalate quickly. 3 Madison Precinct officers were dispatched to the home on Greer Road: Officer Brandon Lopez, Officer Ben Williams, and Officer Thomas Denania. When they arrived, they began assessing the scene while waiting for backup. But within moments, the encounter would change. Bodycam footage shows officers noticing someone outside the home. The woman is Melissa Wooden, 33 years old. She's standing near the front lawn, close to the road, and she's holding something in her hands. 2 things, actually: a pickaxe and a baseball bat.
Step away from my car! Step away from my car!
Officers begin speaking with her from a distance. They attempt to start a dialogue. They give commands. They try to calm the situation, but Wooden does not respond the way officers hope.
What's the deal?
Look, I'm not talking to anybody. Y'all need to shoot me or kill me right now.
I understand. I hear what you're saying, but what happened? Would you take something today? Can you be honest with me? Did you take something?
I didn't.
Okay. You're sober?
Well, I drink alcohol, but that's it.
Okay, that's it. Were you feeling like this before you drank?
I don't know that. Hold on. Go ahead and kill me.
Nobody's gonna kill you, Melissa.
Step away from my car.
Huh.
Y'all can take me all y'all want. But I'm telling
Trying to
you,
get away from my phone.
this is gonna be hands off.
Okay, Melissa.
Melissa, please.
Nobody is going to kill you. No one is going to harm you. You know how this ends? Okay?
Instead, she continues holding the weapons, and the tension begins to rise. Officers continue trying to communicate. They ask her to put the weapons down. They instruct her to stop moving. Moments like this are critical. Officers are trained to slow situations down when possible. But when someone is armed and emotionally unstable, the window for de-escalation can close very quickly.
Set it down and talk. Let's at least go that route. Please.
Set one of them down.
No, I'm not.
Just one of them.
Can you at least sit down then? And we just talk? Please.
We've established that nobody here is going to hurt you. Okay? Look at me in my eyes and know that I'm telling you the truth. None of us are going to hurt you. Okay? None of us are going to kill you.
The only result in here is I want me dead.
Okay?
And y'all have guns, so go ahead and
No, Sue, you're putting that so simply. Like that's how it works. No, that's not how it works. This is complicated. Okay? There's no reason for me to pull my weapon on you, okay? Because right now, there's distance between us. We can figure something else out, okay? At the end of the day, we just want to get you some help.
Wooden does not drop the weapons. She continues moving, and officers now have to make decisions about how to stop the threat.
Can we agree that this is not working out? Like something's off right now, obviously, right?
Obviously, there's something wrong.
Okay.
I'm about to make y'all kill myself or do suicide.
Okay.
That friend all day.
Is there anybody else here?
I'm not going to say that.
Because there is.
I'm not going to answer nothing.
Okay. Are you sure you didn't take something? Your mouth is very dry for
I just
having just drank alcohol. You didn't take anything.
At this point in the encounter, Melissa Wooden is still holding both weapons, a pickaxe in one hand and a baseball bat in the other.
Just go ahead and throw me in.
I'm not gonna kill it. Nobody, like I said, nobody's gonna kill you. All right? Nothing like that's gonna happen. All right? Put one down for me.
I'm not putting anything down until you're kill me.
Okay.
This will be hold up until y'all kill me. Then I'll be rest in peace, whatever.
Officers continue trying to speak with her from a distance. They're giving commands, asking her to drop the weapons. But Wooden tells the officers something important. She says she's been drinking and that she's drunk. That detail matters, because alcohol can affect judgment, reaction time, and emotional control.
Keep your distance, please. Keep your distance.
Excellent.
No. Just stop right there.
What are you doing?
I'm not trouble, but this is what I'm
Did she
saying.
take
She's
anything?
mentally ill.
Okay.
I planned for them to come here.
That's what she wants to.
If you start gonna take me out,
They are not going to shoot you. Put that down. I'm going to beat you up.
Please don't get too close to her, because then it's
I'm
my.
not scared of her.
I understand that, but it's my responsibility if something happens to
Melissa
you.
Lynn,
Mama,
put that stuff down now.
I will kill my. No,
Put it
Why
down.
don't you walk over here with us?
I will I'm not.
Oh my God.
Yeah, when we go over there and talk.
Oh my God. She takes. She done. She's trying to get cops to kill her right now.
Okay. Did she take anything?
Yeah, she's taking a bunch of but she's still crazy.
Okay.
Oh Jesus! I just got her out of the hospital
Right there.
on the 8th.
Well, we're gonna get her. We're gonna get her help. We're gonna try to do it.
Oh, my
We're gonna resolve it peacefully.
She's a good kid. She just messed up in the head. Oh my God.
We're gonna resolve it peacefully.
That's because of all this shit.
At this point, Officer Ben Williams attempts a less lethal option. He deploys his taser.
Sorry, Mom, but I'll be resting in peace with Jesus in front of us.
Yeah, not gonna happen again. Not gonna happen.
I'm dying.
Melissa, put your things down.
I'm not
Thanks for getting the
Melissa.
whole neighborhood.
For officers on scene, this makes the situation even more unpredictable. She's armed, she's emotional, and she's not complying with commands. Moments like this are extremely tense, because the situation can change in seconds, and that's exactly what happens next.
And I have planned all this to be
Listen.
suicide by cop, and I'm not done.
Hey, Benjamin.
Whoa.
Ma'am,
Easy,
back
ma'am, back away from her.
Don't do
back
that,
away from her. Back
Don't
away
do
from her. I'm gonna take the
not
key out of this thing,
doing
okay?
this.
That
Ma'am, please.
negative. We're working on it.
Back up.
You're not doing this to me, Mom.
You're going back to the
Back it
hospital.
up. We'll
kid.
just back
Just
up.
stay away from the
Ma'am.
street.
I'm backing up. Y'all take
Taser. Come get. Jesus Christ.
I know you didn't shoot her.
Shots fired. We have 2 shots fired.
What?
Roll over.
I know you didn't. You stupid.
Melissa Wooden was transported to Vanderbilt Medical Center. Authorities later confirmed she survived the shooting. She was listed in stable condition. Incidents like this are always reviewed by investigators. Supporters argue Officer Lopez acted to protect his partner and nearby civilians. Others wonder whether anything could have prevented the situation from escalating this far. Bodycam footage shows exactly what happened, but debates about those decisions often continue long after the video ends. So what do you think? Did officers have any other option, or was this a split-second decision to stop an immediate threat? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to Ghost Synergy 13 for more real Bodycam breakdowns.